Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 186. The Bank of England was founded in 1694 and it is the most important national bank in the world. It issues bank bills drawn on itself for any amount between £10 and £1,000, and its directors fix the bank rate to encourage persons of limited means to save. There are savings banks and penny banks. Bankruptcy disqualifies the bankrupt from membership of a town council, sanitary authority, education authority, or vestry. These disqualifications may cease if the bankrupt can prove that his bankruptcy was due to misfortune. The embankment, known as the Thames embankment, is next to some sea embankments, the finest in the world. I should like to call attention to the fact that special attention must now be given by bookkeepers to the system which enables the merchant to ascertain whether, say, the silk department, the shipping department, or the foreign department of his business is making a profit or a loss. A large number of excellent positions in the electrical department, the paving department, or the cleansing department of our corporations are open to those who have a good knowledge of bookkeeping. My attention has been called to a youth who gave special attention to bookkeeping when at school and who is now reaping the reward of his zeal. Advertisements appear regularly in the Accountant's Journal, the Journal of Commerce, and other weekly journals for persons qualified to act as bookkeepers. Full stop.